Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Azi Graphics. Now in this video I will be sharing with you two of my PLP files, my recent designs. So PLP files are just like PSD documents of Photoshop, where you can send to other designers they can just open in their own Photoshop device and edit, make some corrections, and just make it their own personal project. So I'll be sharing it to my PLP file, whereby you can just take it, install it to your Pixellab file. You can just make few adjustments and use it for your next project. So if you're joining me for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new video here on YouTube. So the first one is this. Alright, so this is a recent manipulation I did recently. However, everything was done here in Pixellab. So if you not watch the tutorial, please watch the tutorial so you just know how I did this. For example, now if you not watch the tutorial, you will not know how I get most this side. Like this side, you will know how I actually got to this part. You will know how I actually got to this part. You can see it's not there. You will understand how I actually got this part. And another thing is this same one too. You will not know how I just got it. So that's one of the benefits of you watching the tutorial. Please do make sure you watch it. And you can see some my elements are all here, including my background. So you can, for example, now one thing when designing, when someone share a PLP file, you may not have their real resources, but when you have a PLP file, you can actually get their resources from the PLP file. For example, this is the background. Maybe you just like this background, you can just come here, save image, make sure it's in JPEG, then you can create in custom or gallery. Instead of just coming to edit it every time, let me just make the image size 3000. Alright, so you can just come here and save, just save to gallery. Yeah, just hit here, save to gallery. So it's going to save. So in case you want to make it transparent, okay, that you just come to this option, this one here, they have two squares, click on transparent. It's going to make it transparent. Then making it transparent means you want to save some of this element. Maybe you like this wood, you don't have the real resources, you can just come here, put it here, and just come here and save. This time make it in PNG, make sure it's in PNG, then just hit save to gallery. Then it's going to be located in your gallery. You can do the same thing for every of the remaining elements. Okay, so this is the first one. You can do the same thing for every of the elements. For example, now look at this one that I made like in form of a shadow. So you can just increase the opacity, then put off the shadow, and if you like it, you just come, you may decide to increase the size and just come here and just save. When you're saving a transparent one, make sure they are in PNG. When you're saving something like that background, you can put that in JPEG. There's no problem about that. So this is the first PLP file I will be sending to you. So the second one is this one. So this video will be live on YouTube. When you're watching this, it will already be live on YouTube. So this is the second one. I did the creation here. You can see every resources I used for this design are here. You can just go through them, study the way I arrange my shadow for everything, and I do advise you watch the tutorial so you get notified whenever you just see the original design. Okay, so alright, so that's all for this video. We see. Now please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and just stay out for my other designs tutorial. We'll see you in the next video.